Tuna TV.
Hi guys, so today I asked my mom to cut my hair until here, and you can see we have a very it's she doesn't want to cut my hair because it's really long. Ipakita sa nako. It's really long. It's up until here, but I asked her to cut until here. And you see I have a plastic from Robinson. Thank you for sponsoring us. Taro nga dia, hindi magbugno.
Dire ha, dire?
Oo.
Mau gani
Okay,
ka na
okay.
ba?
She's not really a real hairdresser, but I think she can manage. Okay.
Ko.
So mani, brutal man kayo niya akong bayot. Oh, I'm excited. And oh, it looks unbalanced.
Siyang pagkataasan na ko ha.
What do you think, guys? Do I look gorgeous? Okay. Thank you for the deal.
Himuan na to, unsay imong bangs?
Bangs?
Brush up please para murag ana. Brush up.
Saan man? She wants...
Ganahan bakag na bangs.
Nano mo ko'y bangs? Kani di ay?
Oo, pero kulang ng bangs nga.
Isa ka pa na ko?
Di, murag mo udlot siya.
Ano man na?
Brush up nga!
Ay. Mangaway man ni siya, oy. Okay, anyway. She wants another, this, like, hairstyle. So, shout out to Harry Styles. Ouch. Can you do it smoothly and with love and care and... So, ilok man ako. Ay, gaplano na po ni mapuok gani na karon. Brush up, bantay lang yun ka. I have a meeting tomorrow, ha? Brush up, ha? Oh my God, I'm so scared. My mom is planning a very evil plan. Sure ka ma? So, imong putlan?
Oh,
Ay, kanara. Mani ko ganahag puo.
brush up nga.
Asa man ginablas? Ma, murag ipuok yun na. Ma. Aya, ma.
Brush up ha, brush up.
Ma. Agoy! Ma!
Ano? Lingkod. Dili anak. Dili mo na nagkulang.
Mama! Di ba ganun? Di ba ganun ni uso ning brush up? Na!
Dili. Tarong nga ba? Kulang.
Ma!
Maugod na yung style ko.
Ma, di gyud ko ganahan, anak.
Yan, anak. Kanahol ko din mo. Hindi ko. Ito sa buang. Di man na mailhan.
Ma.
Para murag mo tin. Dili lagi. Mao na yan mo ang...
Guys, I'm crying literally. Mother doesn't know best. I quit.